Today I'm taking a look at the 2-pack of the 45% vinegar. So they do come individually bagged just in case there is a problem in shipping. And you can kind of smell the vinegar, although there is none that's spilled out. So this is heavy duty stuff. This is not something you'll be putting in your salad. So I'm going to be using this with a chapin sprayer. And the main benefit of having a setup like this is that you can use the 1 gallon. It's going to fill this all the way up. This is a 1 gallon sprayer. This is going to be light, so it's going to be a lot easier to carry around, especially if you have a large area that you have to cover. And if you need more than this, you got a whole nother gallon right here. But if you don't, then you can keep this thing fully sealed and you don't have to worry about it. So that's why I always get the 2-pack. So I'm going to be using this with 45% vinegar and baby shampoo. An alternative baby shampoo is dish soap or surfactant. Surfactant is the thing that's designed for this. It's going to make it stick to the plant, so it allows the vinegar to work. The idea behind that is the vinegar could roll off and it's not going to be able to work as well. I have used the vinegar by itself and it works no problem. But I want to try it with baby shampoo just to see how much better it works. I have also heard of people using salt with it. I don't like using salt because salt is very corrosive on my property. The idea behind the salt is going to stay on the surface, so it's going to prevent any new weeds from forming. The vinegar by itself, as long as you spray down the plant and you put a little bit on the dirt, for me, that lasts a full year. So I don't have to worry about these weeds again until the next spring. This is very strong stuff, so I'm going to be filling this outside. The jug is sealed. And I definitely do this outside because this is strong stuff. I'm going to fill that about halfway and add some soap. Don't need a heck of a lot. The idea is we just want to make it tacky. And the rest is in there. So that is what 1 gallon plus a little bit of soap looks like. And here we are a day later. So that is some pretty good stuff.